Hello kids, let's learn some colors name. Red color, dark blue color, yellow color, olive color, pink color, grey color, brown color, violet color, lime color, black color, purple color, green color. Green color. A for arrow. Black color. B for butterfly. Violet color. C for cherry. Pink color. D for door. Red color. E for egg. Purple color. F for fish. Yellow color. G for glass. Dark blue color. H for house. Olive color. I for iron. Purple color. J for jellyfish. Brown color. K for kingfisher. Lime color. L for lemon. Grey color. M for monkey. Green color. N for nails. Black color. O for oil. Yellow color. P for pencil. Pink color. Q for queen. Grey color. R for rain. Violet color. S for school. Lime color. T for teacher. Olive color. U for university. Red color. V for vulture. Brown color. W for watch. Black color. X for Xerox. Dark blue color. Y for yak. Purple color. Z for zoo. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.